Let's talk about artist profiling. Now, like this Nigerian artists, they use collect 100% of royalties worldwide. Big boys with their own music go understand. Because a lot of investment will be needed in the signing up process. So if you be artist when no get money, I'm sorry, this video is not for you. No be lie. 1. Streaming royalties. This one are those distributors where they put your song for all platforms. You hear me? So they go distribute your song, gives platform like Spotify and Apple Music. So once your song is streamed or downloaded in those platforms, you get streaming royalties. Number 2, PRO. They call them performance rights organization. Basically, these people they collect money from bars, from radio station, from restaurants. Anytime your song is performed live, and they pay the money to you. To register under PRO, there are platforms that you can register under like BMI, ASCAP, SOCAN, PRS. But the ones that Nigerian artists use is BMI. Based on say this one they collect performance royalties globally. Nigerian artists also use MCSN because this one they collect performance royalties in Nigeria. From local radios and venues, anytime your song is performed locally in Nigeria, you get paid. Number 3, publishing administrator. This one they collect mechanical royalties and publishing royalties. That is, anytime your song is downloaded or anytime your song is streamed and is saved, you collect royalties and you get paid. Number 4, neighboring rights agency. Big Nigerian artists register with platforms like Centric Music. Centric Music they help artists collect international and neighboring and publishing royalties that may not be collected by distributors and pros. You understand, all those royalties wey distributors like Amuse, DistroKid no see collect, abi your pros like BMI no see collect. Those ones will go to neighboring countries and collect your international royalties so you can get paid fully. So if you be independent artist or you be label wey get artists wey you need this setup for them, I do artist profiling. No be small money for the sign up process, but once you do it, it will pay a long way. And I promise, invest in your career now so you'll be grateful for the person you become. Artist profiling and investment is what separates serious artists from the artists that just post on Only Audio Mark. So if you are serious, DM me now. Thanks for watching to this part of the video. Peace. We'll see you again in the next video.